Hey everyone, welcome back to the Bike Buzzin' channel. Today we're taking a close look at the 2025 Harley Davidson Fatboy 114, the latest incarnation of this iconic cruiser. With its bold styling, powerful performance, and advanced features, the 2025 Fatboy 114 is poised to raise the bar for all cruisers. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just a fan of American-made muscle, you'll want to stick around for this detailed review. Bold, iconic design. Harley Davidson has always been known for its bold designs, and the 2025 Fatboy 114 stays true to that legacy. The signature solid disc wheels make a strong statement, paired with a chrome-heavy look that exudes toughness and class. The tank is sculpted for an aggressive stance, and the fat tires give it that unmistakable road presence. The new color options for 2025 are stunning, with matte and gloss finishes that complement the bike's custom appeal. Performance and power, the heart of the Fatboy. At the heart of the 2025 Fatboy 114 is the powerhouse 114Ci Milwaukee 8 engine, offering a punchy 119 lb-ft of torque. That's a huge step up in performance compared to previous models, making acceleration smooth, quick, and exhilarating. Whether you're cruising down highways or navigating through city streets, this engine delivers power with ease, making sure every ride is an unforgettable experience. Enhanced comfort and ride quality. While the Fatboy is all about style and power, Harley hasn't forgotten about comfort. The Softail chassis provides a smooth ride, even on rougher roads. The low seat height and ergonomically placed foot controls create a relaxed riding position, ideal for long journeys. And with the addition of the upgraded suspension system for 2025, you'll feel less fatigue after hours on the road. Technology, modern features for the modern rider. Harley Davidson has made sure that the Fatboy 114 is equipped with the latest tech. The infotainment system comes standard with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to stream music, take calls, and get navigation all through a high-resolution display. The cruise control, LED lighting, and upgraded braking system are all standard features that add to the overall convenience and safety of the ride. Handling and stability. Despite its hefty looks, the 2025 Fatboy 114 is surprisingly nimble. Thanks to the updated frame geometry and dual-disc front brakes, the Fatboy offers exceptional handling, even at high speeds. The high-performance tires provide excellent grip, whether you're cornering or cruising straightaways, making it a great option for both city and open road riders. Conclusion: why the 2025 Fatboy 114 stands out. The 2025 Harley Davidson Fatboy 114 blends timeless design with modern innovation, offering riders the perfect combination of style, power, and comfort. Whether you're a long-time Harley fan or new to the brand, this bike delivers on all fronts. It's a machine that's built for those who want to stand out, feel the power beneath them, and experience the thrill of the ride in its purest form. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all things Harley Davidson and more. Let us know in the comments what you think of the 2025 Fatboy 114. Until next time, ride safe and keep the rubber side down.